We start with 1 hour chart. I want to analyze the chart, but I need to highlight here this chart is based on from HITBTC because for the mentioned coin for this one, the price based on HITBTC chart and the Binance, they got a different price. And the HITBTC that right now is 0.242. It have a lower price. Okay. Anyway, first we split it and we analyze based on HITBTC for those traders they are trading with HITBTC. Anyway, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move, and this is what we get. And our target was the first target was 0.242. As we can see, exactly the price even break the first target, but it couldn't hit the second target. All right. And now we're looking at this correction. Still, we're expecting to get the correct continuation. All right. Now we want to see how we can look for trade and what we have based on higher time frame. And if I move to daily chart, we have been looking for the reversal. This is what we get. Now the only question is, as we can see, we can expect to get the correction here. Whether this is the start of the up move, that means this is a reversal, or we can expect to get the big correction here. This one can turn to more big correction. It depends how it forms. That means we can expect the price to consolidate longer time before we get the breakout of the previous stop. All right. Now this is the things because we need to know based on a lower time frame, at least if we're looking for trade, whether we should know whether it's a long or short term. Okay. When I move to forward chart, if we refer to the forward chart, we can see since the price was within this range, whatever the trade we get was really sharp. But right now, the way is moving tend to corrective with a sharp move as a correction. The way they behaving is a different. If there is a continuation, it could better for us because we can get better trade setup similar with the correction and continuation. That's why it's still expecting here to get the correction. Maybe we can look for the flat for the next move. Because when we get this reversal, we have been looking for the 3 waves as a flat for the next move, and we're looking for the internal flat as well for just in relative to this. That's why any correction here, we can look for continuation. But all it depends for the next move, what we get, whether we get a sharp move or corrective move. What I want to see that if this one continues a corrective move, maybe we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction before we get the breakout of 0.32, which is previous stop. Okay, this is what I want to mention. The only thing is any trade from now, we're looking for the short move. If it turns to a corrective move, we need to be quite careful. Still, we can expect to get the correction, one will move up. But after that, we want to see whether the price can break the previous stop or not. Breakout of the internal correction or not. Okay. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. And based on 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, we're looking for the trade setup. The only thing is, can we expect this one turn to a deeper correction, or this is the only correction? If the price continue from here, the only way is to have entry above this. How about if we move to 15 minute? Rather than that, we don't have any other option to look for the trade. If I move to 15 minute, the best things is if these two become relative to each other for one more drop. Okay, but it doesn't matter. Any reversal from here or by having entry above the top, if we get any trade, we will take it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. Still, we're looking for buy. And even if we get any buy, we want to see whether the price can break 0.259 or not, which is the next target. And again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.